All right guys, this section where we're going to have a few mobility and stretching orientated exercises or movements. So with everything that we talk about in this realm, and I guess other things, you've got to be wary of the word dosage. So sometimes you've got to be careful how hard you're going with these things. So what I'm trying to say is don't go too full on crazy with some of these movements or exercises. Just take it easy. They're going to take some time. I do believe you can go too far with stretching. You can go too hard with some of the mobility exercises. The idea is to try and get better. So again, I'll reiterate, take it easy, take it in your own time, build slowly, and you'll get better. This stretch that we're going to cover, or again, mobility exercise, is called the Brettzel. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, with this one, I would suggest maybe having some head or neck support for this. Just watch carefully. I'm going to lay my side like so, all right? Neck support so I'm not straining through here too much. Now what I want you to think is top leg up in front and think 90 degree angle underneath this knee. All right, you're going to grab onto this ankle. So for some of you, you might be tight. You might need to put a towel or something like that around your ankle so that you can actually grab onto it, okay? Now from here, say for instance, you are a bit tight through the quad. What we say is roll onto your stomach a little bit more and just try and stretch out through the quad a little bit. So stretching out means trying to extend your leg this way into your hand, maybe holding it for 10 seconds, backing it off, doing that a couple more times. Then hopefully you'll loosen up through that bottom quad. From there, that's when you work on pulling that leg back, neck support here, long through the spine, and just dropping this shoulder towards the ground. Like I suggested before on the mobility exercise introduction, I'm not straining things flat out. I'm just working on just relaxing into my stretches. So you can either breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, or just breathe in and out through your nostrils lightly. So a couple of options there on your breathing. Obviously, once you've done that on both sides, I'll just show you the progression. Well, it's a bit of a thoracic progression from here. Just a rib pull. If you want to get into this area a little bit more, bottom leg nice and straight, you might need to prop up this leg, maybe putting a foam roller underneath, but you're going to, again, work on that shoulder drop just for a bit. And what I sort of like to say is reach out in an upward angle. So don't come this way with your arm, because otherwise your shoulder goes into a bit of internal rotation. Reach out that way, just to open up a bit more through the chest. Again, be easy with it. So just to reiterate, when we do our Brettzel, well, let me just say, you're stretching out through this quad here, you're getting through your hip, and you're also opening up through this T-spine area. So guys, that's a Brettzel stretch, and this one here is our rib pull. Try those out.